Hello, this will be a quick video tutorial where we'll go over how to access the video chat option on WCO Online for video appointments. First, you'll have to be logged into WCO Online, so your page will look like this. You'll find your appointment block by clicking on the dark blue square. This will open your appointment form, which should look like this with all your information. To confirm that you schedule a video appointment, make sure you have an option for video chat in a red box at the top. You will then access the video chat by clicking the button for click here to start or join video session. This will open a new window in which you will have the option to attach a file, connect your camera, and chat with your consultant. You will both have the opportunity to text and edit the whiteboard space with text. Once you're done with your session, all you need to do is delete the tab, taking you back to WC Online. If you made any changes to your draft in the white box space that you did not have a chance to save, you can access these by simply going back to your video and going back to clicking here to start or join video session. Then you can copy and paste your saved changes into a different document. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or you would like to schedule an appointment, please contact us through any of our contact forms on the screen. Thank you for listening.